guys know what time it is. Back to the crib. We're gonna show you some of the purchases that we got into today. Starting out with this first joint right here. I know y'all seen this. Once I seen this joint right here, I definitely couldn't let this slip up. This brand right here is called Ice Cream, if you're not familiar with this. I think this is the singer, producer, excuse me, Pharrell Williams. I think this is one of his brands, along with the world famous Billionaire Boys Club brand. I think this is another brand he slid in there as well. So if I'm wrong, y'all quote me on that, fact check me, but I think this is his brand. Now this gray and on the back right here, ain't really nothing on the front. This gray and light pink definitely stood out with the fit I'm gonna put together for this. On the front right here, it just says Ice Cream. And I actually got this joint on sale. It retailed at $150. Yeah, I got it on sale for like $89. So y'all know me, man. If I find something that I seen the shirt when it first dropped. Just luckily I got it on sale. But y'all know I will wait out some. So back of that one more time. The front of it, yeah, this joint hard. So let's get to the next one. All right, now on to the next item. This item right here is another one of those light hoodies that I shop for. Y'all know I love these joints. So I know y'all, before I get into this, I know some of y'all might be like, Nino, why are you purchasing hoodies when it's almost the summertime? Me, if you guys haven't noticed by now, I'm a seasonal shopper. Now, I will purchase my winter stuff in the summertime and a lot of my summer items in the wintertime. And if you don't know, a lot of times you catch a lot of that stuff on sale. And me, damn it, I just love to be fly. So if you ain't found it out by now, you gonna learn, goddamn. So check this out. This hoodie right here. Says Lwood across the front right here. And this color is like a, I don't know, like a wash, brown, gray. I don't know. But it's dope though. And on the sleeves right here, it's pink. Like a light pink, you know? I want y'all to pay attention to these sleeves so y'all can see the vision I'm putting together with this thing. The back right here, ain't nothing really on the back. Well, ain't nothing at all on the back. And I don't know, this material is dope. And this hoodie right here, I think was like $90. Let's make sure. Yeah, this hoodie right here was $90 and the material is actually dope. Actually, I like how it come at the bottom right here, like an actual sweater. And this hoodie right here is crazy. So what I'm gonna do is try both of these items on. And y'all let me know what y'all think about it. All right, y'all, now this is the first try on. Of course, I'm gonna try this joint on with it being open. I'm gonna button it up too. I know some people like the way they button ups open, some people like to wear them closed. Me, it just depends on the outfit. So I'm gonna give y'all both options. Y'all see this joint right here. Turn around and y'all see it. And it's not one of those button ups that's like long. It's kind of like a cut off tape. But yeah, this joint is fire. The gray and the light pink is just, I don't know. I've seen camos, but I ain't never seen the gray and the pink before. So, inside of it, pink. So, I'm gonna button this joint up and let you guys see it. Right now, this is the shirt. Button down as y'all see. Turn around as y'all see it. Probably gonna wanna have a t-shirt, undershirt that's longer than the actual shirt. So, but yeah, this joint right here is fire. So y'all comment down below me. Y'all let me know if y'all like the way y'all button ups open or closed. Like I said, I'm just giving you guys both looks because I know some like them open, some like them closed. So let's get into the next one. And this is the hoodie. Check this joint out right here. Like I say, the brand is Lwood. I got a few more pieces from Lwood. This is one of like my favorite brands that kind of fly under the radar. Let me show you guys the back of it with a hoodie. The hoodie short combo, I'm feeling that anyway. So, like I say, nothing much. This color was dope. Like this wash hoodie, like this wash brown, gray, black. I don't know what it's giving, like a wash brown or dark gray with the light pink, and got the Lwood across the chest and black. Now, let me show you guys the sneakers that we will be putting together with these feet. As for the feet pieces, we went with these Air Max 95 right here. These are called, drumroll, a pink foam. Show y'all these joints right here. Now, I snatched these up because for once, like, I like the Air Max 95s anyway. This probably is my favorite Air Max. And when I seen the gray and the pink, I definitely had to get this shirt. So, like I said, these are, the 95s are my favorite pair of Air Max. So, gray and pink, that colorway stand out. You don't see too many gray and pink sneakers. Hell, you don't see too many gray and pink outfits. So, y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all like it. The combination, how I put it together. I'll show y'all the hoodie in just a second. So, the pink with the pink and definitely the gray, definitely in the shoe. It's actually 3 colors of gray in this shoe, as well as the pink. And we'll probably do you know, some type of shorts or some type of jeans we step out with these on. So y'all make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. So let's try it on. And as for the next fit with these Air Max, like I was explaining, it is black at the very bottom of the shoe. Black in this hoodie right here to take on this light pink. Jeans, I think I'm gonna do something like maybe like some wash gray shorts, denim, something like that. Make it stand out. So y'all make sure y'all comment down below, man. Y'all let me know if y'all even rock Air Max. I know a lot of people like the Air Max 1s, the 97s, the 10s. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all rock the Air Max. So, cause me personally, I like Air Max, but I'm more of an OG guy. Like these right here, like was definitely not this particular colorway. Like the mandarins, of course the neons, stuff like that was definitely Air Max I had back in the day, and I had to get them because Lord knows I didn't want to pass up on these. So y'all let me know, comment down below if y'all rocking with these fits. And yes, another thing before I get up out of here, if y'all want to see me start styling these fits on YouTube, I kind of just put them on to show y'all how I'm rocking. Now, you go to TikTok, I'm gonna style it up, the whole fit, how I'm gonna step out with it. So make sure if you haven't already, go sub to my TikTok, that is Scotty_Nino. Same as my Instagram, Scotty_Nino. Sorry about that. So hopefully see y'all there. Once again, man, thank y'all, everybody, for tuning into this video. I wanted to kind of do a little something different. I told you guys I'm starting bringing you up all the outfits, not only the Ralph Lauren, not only the certain brands that you see on the channel all the time. I want to kind of start bringing y'all everything. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning into your boy. Out of which fit that you guys like, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about both of them. Until the next video.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay out like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna